Hey guys, this is Fondo on Phakade. Tonight on Imbewu, the Msamo True wake up hanging over after eating the customer money. Nkululeko realized that Zwandile was a properly responsible for the fire on the church of Phakade. And Phakade, it seems like he accepts the situation of burning the church. News of the fire has reached Zetulele and Zagiti, and they are suspicious on Nkululeko that is him who burned the church, while Mandlovu wants the person that started the fire founder. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.